You're not going to find another farmhouse like this near Boone, North Carolina. This charming 1938 farmhouse perfectly blends timeless character with thoughtful, modern updates. Imagine stepping onto the covered porch, taking in the peaceful mountain surroundings, and feeling instantly at home. To carefully preserved architectural features. Upstairs, the primary suite offers a clawfoot tub with serene views, while an additional room provides the flexibility of a nursery, home office, or craft space. With 371 extra square feet upstairs, not counted in the official total, you have more room than you think to spread out and create the perfect retreat. Outside, two covered porches invite summer evenings spent relaxing, and a fenced yard provides space for children, pets, or gardening. The thoughtfully designed fire pit area is ideal for s'mores under the stars, while the raised garden bed and storage shed make outdoor living both practical and enjoyable. Located just 15 minutes from Boone, this property gives you the serenity of the countryside without sacrificing convenience. With extensive structural and system improvements already completed, this farmhouse is move-in ready, letting you focus on creating memories in a home that captures the heart of North Carolina living. This is more than a home, it's a lifestyle waiting to be claimed.